In order to give us a debug if Dapper or any of your other applications is quitting, what we need you to do is go into your applications, go into utilities, and inside utilities you'll see there's a console app. So we go ahead and run the console app, and that'll bring up an app that gives us a list of all the different things that are going on. And what I can do is you'll see there's lots of information in here. Some of it is from ScreenFlow, some of it's from Dapper, from MDUtil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just type in here Dapper. And what it will do is it will filter and only show the things that come from the Dapper app. So we want you to go ahead and do that, and then go ahead and run the application that we're talking about. Now, in my particular case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quit Dapper, and I'm going to run it with debug turned on. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to run the app and hold down the Alt key. And by holding down the Alt key, it asks me for a bunch of questions. I don't want to reset settings. No. I do want detailed debugging on. Yes. And I don't want to do multi-dap mode. But now I have Dapper running. Let me drag it over to the right screen. So it's over here, and you'll see that it's generating all kinds of information here in this log that I can see in the console. So you'll see there's all kinds of information going on here. I can also clear the display, and you'll see that it generates information as I go. Then simply go ahead and hit go. And what will happen in this particular case, you'll see it's going slower. And the reason it's going slower is because it's logging a bunch of stuff into this console that you can see behind here. And when it is done, it will essentially crash. And I'm going to simulate that now. I'm just going to go ahead and stop the application. And so what we will get from this is we will see the very last thing that it was doing and where it was in our source code when it crashed. So then once you have this information, you can go to File, you can save a copy as, and we'll say for map pin, and I'll save it on my desktop. Where is my desktop? Somewhere here is my desktop. Oh, I guess I won't. I'll save it to my documents. And then if you send us that file, that is what we essentially need.